learn. Continuously, we are learning some topics. From this perspective, now I am teaching about the topics. The main topics is importance of learning English. It is for especially for the students of class 9. Not only 9, but also for the students of class 10. So, in previous class, I taught you about the method, and today I will also teach you about the method. The next line, okay, look at your book. The next second sentence says, this is because the world has become smaller. You know that. Actually, we are living in this earth. We are living in this earth. Earth is same things. Day by day, earth is larger. But the sentences have said that the world has become smaller. But how it is possible? How it is possible? That means just now if I want to talk in India or with the people of America, is it possible by communication? How you will communicate? With mobile phone or internet. But there is very important point, my dear students, here. If you do not know any English speaking or how to speak English, if you say some Bangla, the people of America won't understand what you are saying. For this reason, if you want to communicate with the foreigners, you have to know how to speak in English, because English is an common language of this world. So, from this perspective, the author has said that the world has become smaller day by day. Here, this is pronoun is auxiliary verb because on kinds of conjunction. The word noun has auxiliary verb become main verb, a smaller on kind of adjective. The next sentence. Vast distance are shortened. What is the meaning of this sentence? Vast distance. Just now, you can think that we are staying at present in Bangladesh and your friend is staying in America. It's a fully distance place. But how? Just now you want to talk with him. How it is possible? It is possible by the internet or by the mobile. But it is possible if you learn English or how to speak in English. Vast distance are shortened by speed transport. What is the means of transport? There are many kinds of transport, such may be bus, launch, taxi, plane, various kinds of transport. And here, mobile and other communication things is also transport. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers on the phone or the internet. Yes, my dear. We can talk with a person thousands of miles away by the mobile phone and internet. Just before I have said it. So, dear students, next time I will also teach you about the method. No more today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.